I created a lot of shit that niggas took credit for.
Yo, young boy, what's your name, bro?
With that.
How you say your name, young Lucy?
Drive Rolls Royce real fast with a big bang.
So look, y'all, if y'all don't know, we almost at 50,000 miles. So as y'all see, we at 49.99 too. No cap. So by the time I get home, we'll probably be at 50,000 miles, and we're gonna be celebrating. We hit 50,000 miles in an Audi S7. Hold on. As I was saying, we finna hit 50,000 miles in an Audi S7. So, you know, that's a big accomplishment for me, no cap. So, once I hit 50,000 miles, I won't be driving this car as much as I usually do. And I'll be treating it way different. You know, I had my fun in it. So, now I'm going to be treating my car with more respect. No cap, with more respect. I'm not going to be racing it like that. It's going to be more of a value to me now. So, you know, the max that I look at putting on this car is like maybe 65,000 miles, you know. So, I got 15,000 miles, you know what I mean, to play around for like 5 years type shit, no cap. I don't plan on putting no more than 15,000 miles on this car within the next 5 years. So, hey, treating this motherfucker like it's my girlfriend from now on. No more of that playing around. As y'all see where we at right now. So, when we get to that 50,000, I'll make sure I got a video and make sure I got the tick. We got 4 miles left, y'all. 4 miles left, so, hey, we got 3 miles left, y'all. Y'all see we got the good 3 miles left till we hit the 50K. Got motherfucking 2 miles left, y'all. 2 miles till we hit the 50K mark. Man, oh man. Make sure y'all smash that like button, man. We got 2 miles left in the Audi S7 to hit 50K. As y'all see, man, we at 49.99, 50,000 soon, y'all. So I'm gonna keep this lit until we get to 50. No cap. I'm gonna let y'all see it hit 50. Make sure y'all show the road too. Damn, they got hella cars right there. No cap. Make sure you get closer a little bit. Show them that 49.99 a little bit. There you go. Yeah, let me know when it hit 50. I think it's finna hit 53, 2, 1. 50,000 miles. Let's fucking ride, y'all. We at 50,000 at 90. So I know I got a floor one time for the fun time on the 50,000 mark.